will be postponed to the following Wednesday. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in North Carolina: Bladen, Columbus, Cumberland, Duplin, Hardin, Hoke, Moore, Robeson, Sampson, and Scotland, and in South Carolina for Marlborough and Dillon counties. This has been a testimony